Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to check out Hohem brand new 2024 iSteady Mobile Plus gimbal. This one I have here is the iSteady Mobile Plus kit, which comes with the magnetic field light. There's a few new upgrade feature and design for the 2024 model. Let's check it out. Well, come with a nice carrying case. That's pretty awesome. They always give you a case with the gimbal. And I prefer to have this hard case right here. A lot of other gimbal to give you this, pouch or bag to carry. Yeah, it's not a really good protection for the gimbal. This is like a solid, hard case. It's very good. You got some instruction booklet here. And then we have the new design tripod. There's some grip right here on each of the tripod legs. On the gimbal, there's 3 expansion port. One is on top of the phone holder. The other one's on the side of the gimbal. And one on the bottom to mount your tripod. And at this point, you could attach a additional camera, additional phone, a GoPro, any accessory that have the same size port that they have on this gimbal. And in the back of the gimbal right here is auto control. You have the 4 LED light indicator for different modes, like pan follow, pan tilt follow, lock, and the POV. Right here it's the slider for zoom in and out, the power button, picture taking button, and recording button right here. This is the button to select between different modes. And on the side right here you have the battery light indicator. There's 4 different LED lights. On the left is the charging port. You have the USB Type A charging port for charging the accessory that you attach to the gimbal, like your phone, the field light, the magnetic field light that you're going to attach on top of the holder, another camera, any other accessory. And you have the USB Type C charging port here to charge the gimbal. And in the front is the trigger to activate certain special function of the gimbal. This gimbal have 3 axes: the roll, the tilt, and the pan. The roll and tilt motor could rotate 320 degrees, except the pan motor. This is one of the upgrade for the 2024 iSteady Mobile Plus. The pan motor can spin, rotate 600 degrees. Let's put on the tripod. And before we turn on the gimbal, let's balance the phone on the gimbal first, or else, when you turn on the phone without balance the gimbal, all the 3 modes is going to go crazy, and you don't want to damage the gimbal that way. So let's balance the phone. To balance the phone in landscaping mode, the gimbal has to this way. The roll motor is in front, and where you attach the magnetic field light had to be on top. So the phone holder with the magnetic field light toward the top. And grab your phone. The camera had to be on the left, facing forward. Just like that. And then right here, push your phone all the way against the tilt motor. All the way touching it. Now, how you know if the gimbal's balance is when you tilt your phone, and it should, any position you put it, it should stay in one place, but it's not right now. See how it's just, you know, just go back to where it was, and it's not staying. So this is how you do it. You're gonna move the phone holder up and down until you're able to move your phone, and just leave it in and it will stay. So let me see. Let me slide the phone down. Let's try that. No, go up. That's too much. Up a little. Now you see, the phone just stay. That's how you know it's balanced. Now we could turn the gimbal on by pressing the power button here and hold it for a few seconds. There you go. One of the upgrade feature for the iSteady Mobile Plus is the ultra wide angle shooting. When recording wide angle mode, as you can see in the screen on the bottom right corner, the roll motor is inside the screen. So what you do is you could press on the trigger 4 times to move your phone in front of the roll motor to get rid of the roll motor inside the recording. Just like that. Now the roll motor is behind the phone. As you see, it's out the way of the recording. Now it's not in the screen anymore. To activate the 600-degree Inception Mode, all you need to do is press the mode button right here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty awesome, huh? Now it's gonna start. And here's the magnetic field light. To attach the magnetic field light to the gimbal, it's pretty easy. It's magnetic, so all you do is just, place it on top. That's it. And then there's a power button right here on the back, and the light control right here, the light level control. There's 10 different light level, and what the power button does is it changes different color temperature. You get like 3 color temperature on this magnetic field light. I think it's a cold light, which is at 6500K. A warm light is at 3000K, and 5500 is K is the natural light. So actually, here, let me turn it on real quick. It's pretty bright. Let me turn off the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the different color temperature . The cold light, which at 6500K, and this is the 3000K, the warm light, and this would be natural right here at 55K. This is a pan follow mode, which the gimbal goes side to side. This one is the pan tilt follow mode. So when you tilt, it tilts up and down, and the pan side to side. This is a lock mode. The lock mode keep the camera focused in front, so it doesn't matter where you move the gimbal, it stay in one place. And then the POV mode, which is the free mode, it unlocks all the motor and it will just go freely anywhere. To use all the features and functions of the gimbal, you want to install the Hohem Joy apps from the Google Play Store, or else if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. And all you do is just type in the search bar Hohem Joy, search, and that's the app you want to install. Once you install, open it up. There's a lot of features in that you could use, like using your gimbal to snap pictures, to record, and zoom in and zoom out control on the gimbal using the app.